we have next talk from Vikram sir from Kaizen. Vikram Ramesh Lakkavalli is an AI researcher and project leader with deep expertise in speech, text, and video processing using deep learning. Currently, he is a research associate at MINRO Labs, IIITB, working on ASR using analysis by synthesis. As head of R&D at Kaizen Secure Voice, he has developed deployed voice biometric systems for banking, contributed to Indian language LLMs, and holds the US patent in speaker recognition. He has a total of 20 years of experience by academia, industry, and research. We welcome Vikram sir on the podium.
Hi, thank you. So this is, I should mention this is quite a surprise for me because so yesterday I got a call from Prasanta saying that you should come. I had no clue what transpired because I think they sent an email to my old company Kaizen. So I don't anyway. I no longer work at Kaizen anyway, but so. I was surprised and then pleasantly surprised, in fact. And so I'm here. I said okay, and then I was here. Uh, to s- I to if I start discussing, or if I talk if I can tell you how the journey had been with Prasanta and with IISc in particular, it will go back almost 25 years from now. So almost 2001 or 2002 probably. I met Prasanta as a student with Professor TV Srinivas, and I was working under him, under Professor TV Srinivas. And there, that's how he was just how he is busy now. He used to be busy that time also, the same thing. I don't see any difference in Prasanta, that Prasanta and this Prasanta. Very focused, so on the job, on the task. And and he just is focused on what he wants to do. And that's how it was a high by relation that time. But the real thing started when I briefly was here in IISc in 2014-15. That time he joined here as a professor. I think as a adjunct professor, or I don't know what professor. He joined here from university, USC, I think. Um, it was that time we got to we met. And we discussed briefly. I was also doing something. I was in another company. And then so why I'm telling all these things, so why I'm telling all these stories. These stories is like because when in 2016, so I happened to I am a localite Kannadiga. I love my language Kannada, it is, and it so happened that by coincidence, or so something, I happened to get involved in a Kannada project. And I happened to develop a Kannada TTS, a very basic Kannada TTS. And incidentally, what happened, I was so there was an initiative from Kannada and Culture Department to drive something for some technology development for Kannada for a long time. I think a lot of people here, Achyut and other people know that time. It was around 2016 or something like that. And I just aired it with Prasanta. So to see his forthcomingness, and and trying to help others. So that is very 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 unique quality that I have seen, which I think I can say for sure nobody will do that. So as a professor, right? So 2016, he was very open. And what we did in that project was, we did some recordings. So the we had a lot of data was a problem. So now, yeah, now there is a lot of data that's available. But earlier there was very less data. So we started with the data collection and other things, and yeah, as all government things, so so we had a lot of challenges, the administrative challenges, and they had their own process and other things. But ultimately, we did something. And the one important thing to say about Prasanta was, his forthcomingness, his clarity in what he wants to contribute to anything. So if you say you're doing something, so that's what I see from that project. What I can take away is, if you're very clear on what you want to do, and if you're really interested, and if you're really committed to doing that, he will go out of his way to help you. So, and he gave time, and he attended a lot of meetings which were, totally not required at all in I would say, at his position. He could have sent somebody, so he just attend, but he did personally take that initiative, and he did. So that's very very nice quality that I see in Prasanta. So all the time I respect him for those qualities, which is very rare to see. And when I was in Kaizen Voice, so we again happened to mentor or guide some projects, MTech projects, jointly, and it was a nice experience. So we did that, and also Prasanta helped a lot, in a lot of discussions and other things. So even though I was not associated with him officially or something, he used to give time. He used to make sure everyone around him is well, is he's doing he's doing the best what he can do. And yeah, so if I can elaborate, I can I can elaborate the whole day. But yeah, so I will say that he's a nice guy, so fantastic to be with him. And um, what else I can say? That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the talk. Prashanta, sir, any words?
Yeah, as Vikram was mentioning, I was running between things. So the passion for Kannada was something that I really liked. Uh, Running behind the Kannada culture, right? The name of the office, I remember it is a government things. Always we know it's a struggle to run behind and get things done. But he was particularly, behind them to make something happen for Kannada. That's one very great thing. And then when he joined Kaizen, we had joint problems with MTech students. Again, it's the passion for doing something new, trying out something new. That mindset of research was in him. So that was really nice to have somebody like him working with. So it's not nothing to hurry or get things done for whatever reason. So it was great to have you in past. And uh, in many occasions, I must say that we have also discussed beyond just talking, doing research on those aspects, and that's great to share other non-research things. It always has been a pleasure to talk to you, Vikram. Thanks.
Thank you, Vikram, sir, for a wonderful talk.